Hello everyone, welcome to Python tutorials. In this video I will explain how you can analyze weather using NumPy. Our task is to analyze temperature data for local weather station. For that I am creating NP array in which I am storing the temperatures for the last week, and similarly I have created another NP array in which I have stored the days. So as you can see, this is one array and this is another array. In this array I have stored the temperatures, and in this array I have stored the days. So what we will do in this tutorial, so first of all we will find the average temperature, and then we will find the temperature extremes, hottest and coldest temperature. Then we will find the temperature difference, and then we will find the day by day difference. So what is the temperature above average, and also we will print the days which are having the above temperature above average. Then we will print the temperatures in sorted order, and next we will print the day with the hottest and coldest temperature. So this we will do in our tutorial. So let's start. So first of all we will find the average temperature. So for calculating the average we use np.mean, and I will store it in the variable average. So average equals to np.mean, and here I will pass this array. So array name is last week. Okay, now I will print this. So for that I will simply use print function, and here I will write average temperature, and then I will print the average. So here I will write average temperature, and here I will use this. So let's first of all let's run this. So just click on run. What is the problem? Oh sorry, I have not imported a NumPy. So just import NumPy as NP. Okay, so let's run this. So you can see the average temperature is this one. So for calculating the average temperature we use the mean function, and here you can see the average temperature I have found using the mean function. Now what I will do, I will find the extremes. So I will find the temperature extremes. So first of all I will find the hottest temperature. So for that I will store it in a hottest variable, and I will use the function np.max. So max will give me the maximum temperature of the last week, so I will store it in here. So let's copy this and print it, and here I will use I will write hottest temperature, and I will here use this variable, and the variable name is hottest. That's fine. Let's run this, and you can see the hottest temperature is 23. So from this array you can also find that the hottest temperature is 23. So with the help of this maximum function I can find the hottest temperature. Similarly for finding the coldest temperature, what I will do, I will use the minimum function. So let's copy this code, and here I will paste it, and instead of hottest I will use the coldest, and here instead of maximum function I will use the minimum function, and here I will use coldest temperature, and here I will print coldest variable. Okay, that's fine, and let's run this, and you can see the coldest temperature is 19 and the hottest temperature is 23. So this way we can find the maximum, mean, minimum values. So next task is to find the temperature difference. So for calculating the difference we use a temperature difference variable, and we will subtract the hottest from, okay, so we will subtract the coldest from the hottest. Okay, and here I will print the temperature range. So print temperature range, and here I will use temperature difference. So it will give me the difference between the hottest and the coldest temperature, and you can see it is the difference. 23 is the hottest temperature and coldest temperature is 19, and it is giving me the difference. So temperature range is 4 degree. And now I will calculate the day by day difference. So what is the day by day difference? For that I will use the NP, just wait. Okay, so for here I will find the daily difference. So I will use the variable daily difference, and I will use the function np dot difference, and here I will pass the array name. So array name is last week, and here I will print the daily differences. So just copy it, paste it, and here I will print daily differences, and here I will use daily difference. Okay, so let's run this. Now you can see the daily differences here. So what is this actually? You can see here between the first value and the second value difference is 1 is increasing. So here you can see the 1. Okay, and then from 21 to 19 it is the temperature is decreasing by 2, so it's -2, you can see. So daily differences. And then temperature is 19 to 22, it is increasing by 3, and here you can see the daily difference is 3. So this way I can find the daily differences. Now what I will do, I will find the temperature above average, and then also I will print the days. So first of all what I will do, so I will find the above average days. And how I can find it above average days? Simple, last week is my array name, and it should be greater than average. Average I have found here, you can see I have already found the average. So this way I can find the above average days. And what I will do, I will print, so I will print temperature above average. So temperature above average is, so see I have find this variable above average day, and now I will pass this value here. I will pass this value in the array. So last week, and here I will pass above average days. So above average days. So let's first of all run this, and you can see the above average is, you can see 20.85, and all the temperatures which are above average are displaying here. So what is it is actually doing? Actually it is, first of all it is storing all the values which are having greater than average in this variable, and then I am passing this variable in the NP array, and it will give me all the temperatures which are above average. So very simple. Okay, and now you can see I have written also print the days. So now I will also print the days. So here I will use print, so days above average temperature. What I will do, see I have created another NP array days, so I will use days, and I will pass this information. I will pass above average days in this array. So days above average days I will pass here. So let's run this. Now you can see all the days which are having temperature above average. So it's very simple. First of all, I have calculated the value above average days, which is all the temperatures which are greater than average. So it will store all the temperatures which are greater than average in this variable, and then I am passing this variable in the last week array, and it will give me the temperature above average, and then I will pass this variable above average days in the days array, and it will give me all the days which are having temperature above average. Very simple. And next is I will print the temperature in sorting order. It's very simple. I will use the variable, let's say sorted temperature, and what I will do, I will simply use np.sort function, and here I will pass the array name. So np.sort last week. So here I will print the sorted temperatures. So just print sorted temperatures, and here I will print sorted temps. Very easy. I have simply used np sort function, and you can see all the temperatures are in sorted order. And now only one task is left. I will print the day with the hottest and the coldest temperature. Okay, so what I will do, I will use hottest day, and here what I will do, I will use np dot, first of all what I should do, I will pass in days np dot argmax, wait, and here I will pass the last week. Okay, so it will, you can see, first of all, see how I have found the hottest temperature. I have used np.max, and now I want the index of that value which is having the highest temperature. For that I am using argmax. So np.max give me the value, but np.argmax give me the position of that value which is having the highest temperature, and then I will pass it in the days. Okay, so first of all let's print this. So let's print this. Just wait, here I will use hottest day is, and here I will print it hottest day. Let's run this. Okay, very good, it's Friday. Okay, and you can see here the hottest temperature is on Friday. So what I am doing, simply I am finding the index of the value which is having the maximum temperature, and then I am passing that in the days array. And so similarly I will find the coldest day. Just copy it, paste it, and here I will use coldest day, and here what I will do, arg minimum. Okay, so it will give me the argument, it will give me the index of the minimum value, and here I will print it. So this way we can analyze the data with the help of NP array. Okay, so let's run this. You can see the coldest day is Wednesday. So I have tried NP array on 1 week temperature. Similarly you can try it on the 1 month temperature, and it will analyze all the data for you. So that's all. I have explained each and everything. In case you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.